This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Hyundai Elantra rear bumper. First, ensure you have all your tools ready, including a trim removal tool and a socket wrench. Next, safely lift the rear of your vehicle using a jack and secure it with jack stands for stability. Before starting, take a moment to clean any dirt or debris from around the bumper area to make fasteners more visible and accessible. Now, let's start detaching the bumper. Begin by locating and removing all the screws and plastic clips that hold the bumper in place, often found in the wheel wells and under the vehicle. Gently pull back the inner fender liners to access hidden fasteners. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for your taillights, parking sensors, or other components before fully removing the bumper. With the old bumper off, it's time to install the new one. Carefully align the new bumper with the vehicle's mounting points, ensuring a snug fit. Reconnect all electrical components, such as taillight wiring and parking sensor harnesses, making sure they click securely into place. Finally, reinsert all the screws and clips you removed earlier, working from the center outwards to ensure proper alignment. Before you're completely finished, perform a thorough final check. Go around the entire bumper, ensuring all fasteners are tight and properly seated. Test all your lights and any sensors to confirm they are working as expected. Lastly, give the new bumper and the surrounding areas a good clean to remove any fingerprints or smudges, leaving your vehicle looking great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.